Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a TapTap Send app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you should have the TapTap Send app on your mobile device. You can get it from your Player App Store. Now from here we need to open it up for the first time. So go ahead and open up TapTap Send. Then from here you'll be greeted to this page here. So from here we can either log in or sign up or continue with Google. So I'm going to do this tutorial as continue with Google, and now I'm going to choose my Google account. Tutorial is here, and now essentially what this is going to do, this is going to sign me up and sign me in at the same time. And then from here it will say enter your name, so I need to put in my first name and last name. Then from here click onto next. Now we need to jot in our phone number, so I'm going to put in my phone number here and then click next. Alright, then you need to confirm your phone number. Then from here, click onto next. We can go ahead and enable notifications if we like. So I'm going to enable notifications. And then from here, pick a country to start your first transfer. So find your country that you're residing in. So I'm in Australia, so I'm going to type in Australia. And if you're like me and it says want to send money to a country that is not in this, you can submit a suggestion if you like. So I'm going to change this again. I'm going to see if Egypt's in this list just for demonstration. Here it is here. Alright, so pick a country to start your first transfer. So I want to do Egypt. Now from here, because I'm in Australia, it can show you the conversions. So $1 equals Egypt 31.75. So if I want to transfer $100, they're going to receive 3,175 EGP. And now if you want to apply your promo code, click on add promo code here as well. And now from here we want to go ahead and click onto next. And now from here it will say for your security, please upload your ID. You can send money after this one-time account verification. So click on upload ID. And now we've got different forms of IDs we can upload. So we've got a national ID card, passport, residence permit, driver's license, work permit, or other form of ID. So for this demonstration I'm going to do my driver's license. And now it will say allow TapTap Send to take pictures and videos. Click while using the apps, and then take a photo of whatever document, but make sure they're very clear as well. Alright, so once you've verified your account, you want to click on next, and then you can choose your payment method. So you can select your preferred payment options such as a debit card or bank transfer. Available methods may vary by the country you reside in as well. Then from there, review all details carefully, then confirm the transaction. Most transactions or transfers are completed within minutes as well. And then also track your transfer. So you want to monitor the status of your transfer within the app. You'll receive a confirmation once the transaction is successful. Alright, so let's go have a look what's inside the account down here. So as we can see, that's our account name, and we can add cards if we like here. So we can add and manage cards. We've got debit cards we can go ahead and add, putting your debit card details here, then click next to add it into TapTap Send. You've also got this share your referral code, so you will receive $20 and your friend will receive $10 on their first transfer, but there is a minimum spend requirement. Conditions may apply as well. If we go into our account, this is where we can go ahead and change our name, our email address, phone number. You can also send your transfer history to your email, and there's also a log out button down there. And if you've got any questions or queries to ask TapTap Send, just go ahead and click on the support, and they've got a lot of help topics here as well, or you can simply contact support.